Lighting is an essential aspect of interior design that can make a significant impact on the look and feel of a space. The right lighting can create a warm and inviting atmosphere, highlight unique architectural features, and make a room feel more functional and practical. In this video, we'll explore some tips and tricks to help you transform a space with lighting, including how to use different types of lighting, choosing the right bulbs, and highlighting special features. By following these tips, you can create a beautiful and functional space that feels comfortable and looks stunning. I don't want to sound desperate, but I'm pretty sure this YouTube channel has a really low count. Help us out. Here are some tips and tricks to help you use lighting effectively. One. Use lamps and sconces to create a cozy atmosphere. Lamps and wall sconces can create a warm and inviting atmosphere in a room. Use them in areas where you want to create a cozy and relaxing environment, such as a living room or bedroom. Two. Install task lighting for specific activities. Task lighting is designed to help you perform specific tasks like reading, cooking, or working. Use task lighting in areas where you need to focus on a particular activity, such as a desk or reading nook. 3. Use color temperature to set the mood. Color temperature refers to the warmth or coolness of the light. 4. Use dimmer switches to create a versatile space. Dimmer switches allow you to adjust the brightness of the lights, which can help you create different moods in the room. For example, you can dim the lights to create a relaxed atmosphere during a movie night or increase the brightness for a dinner party. Five. Use accent lighting to highlight architectural details. Accent lighting can be used to highlight unique architectural features in a room, such as a beautiful ceiling or a brick wall. Use accent lighting to create visual interest and draw attention to these features. 6. Choose the right size and style of lighting fixtures. The size and style of your lighting fixtures can have a big impact on the look and feel of the room. Choose fixtures that are the right size for the space and match the overall style and decor of the room. 7. Use multiple layers of lighting for maximum impact. To create a dynamic and visually interesting space, use multiple layers of lighting. such as overhead lighting, task lighting, and accent lighting. This will add depth and dimension to the room and make it feel more inviting. By following these additional tips, you can create a beautiful and functional space that feels comfortable and looks stunning.